All right, good day, traders. Welcome to Daily Trading Ghost. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you will be updated on the world of trading and be a profitable trader. Okay, so before we start, disclaimer, this is for educational content only, not a financial advice, and trading involves risk. Okay, today we will be having a recap on our 1 week trading results. Okay, so we started our the journey on August 1. So we placed a trade, let me see, on August 1, somewhere here, this chart. We placed a triggered limit, and why we enter on that setup. What I was actually seeing in that moment was a downtrend. Okay, so there was a downtrend. So based on our playbook, on our trading plan, we always follow the trend. So I waited for the pullback, and then I placed a trade somewhere here. And unfortunately, after how many days? 3 days, I think, or 2 days. Um, the market uh, did not uh, go down. It didn't go down, and unfortunately hit our stop loss. And before anything else, I want to make sure that we are trading the Ethereum versus USDT. This is a crypto, okay? So yeah, we've that's the result. We um, hit our stop loss, and on the same day, we saw a trading setup. That was we place. I think if I'm not mistaken, we place the trade August 4, and then it was triggered at on August 5. So there I entered this trading setup because I saw that the market is going up. There was an uptrend. Okay, so I waited for the pullback, trading inside the range. So I saw the you call that the resistance over here. There was two resistance somewhere like there. And then our previous resistance become now our support. So I waited for the pullback. I placed a triggered order somewhere here. And after 3 days, which is yesterday, August 7, our target profit was hit. Okay. And we are only hitting a risk reward of 1 is to 2. We're not hitting to, we're not, I'm not using a 1 is to 3 or more for some personal reasons. Okay, it's actually based on my back testing. Okay, so let me see here. As you can see, let me show you something. Okay, so as you can see in my previous backtesting, I always put the results if it hit 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1.3, 1 is to 1.5, or 1 is to 2, or if it hits 1 is to 3. Okay, so based on the average that I actually tested before my previous back testing. Anyway, we're still on the back testing. Um, what do you call that? Um, I'm still doing the back testing of this one institute at the moment. But based on the back testing that I have, uh, it shows on an average that 1:2 is the sweet spot. Okay, so yeah, I don't need to be greedy as long as it's consistent. Um, I'm good with that. Okay, so as I said, we only have 2 trades in 1 week because we are always waiting for our setup. If no setup, there will be no trades. That's how disciplined we are. We're not going to force any trade. So everything that we do here is based on our experience. We don't need to be super active and always on a trade. It happens to me before. Yeah, it happens to me before that uh, I'm getting bored and forcing trade setups just to have a trade because I'm bored and waiting, bored of waiting. So I have no patience. And guess what? I overtrade, do revenge trading, and blew so many accounts, so many. So I know it's boring, but this is the way to become a consistent and protect our capital. So now we're waiting for the new setup. Again, traders, we are using the 1 minute uh, time frame. I'm using the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, come yeah, I'm using the 1 minute time frame to trade. And again, how much more if we are using the higher time frame? Let's say 1 hour or 2 hours. So we might only have one or no trades at all. That's how boring it is. Okay, and that's the trap. If you get bored and force a trade, um, and then you enter the starts of your drawdown in guilt, and you will be starting blaming the market and blaming yourself and your strategies, and you will again look somewhere else to look for better strategies, even though your strategy is actually working. And the only thing that is not working is you, your discipline. Okay, so um, that's all for now, traders. So please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and comments as questions. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you soon.